Downsize, upsize, or right size with a reverse mortgage. Podcast episode 15. I'm your host, Ruth, the retirement mortgage expert at Nexa Mortgage, welcoming you back to Retirement Solutions for All Ages. Today, we're talking about one of the most powerful and often misunderstood financial tools available to retirees, the reverse mortgage for purchase. This isn't your parents' reverse mortgage, a loan that you take out on a home you already own. This is a special program that lets you buy a new home and get a reverse mortgage all in one transaction. Whether you're looking to downsize to a smaller, more manageable home, right size to a single story that fits your needs, or even upsize to your dream home that you've always wanted, a reverse mortgage for purchase, also known as a home equity conversion mortgage for purchase or HECM for purchase, can be a game changer. We'll explore what it is, how it works, and share some real-world examples of how it can help you live the retirement you've always imagined. So, what exactly is a HECM for purchase? It's a loan designed specifically for home buyers who are 62 years old or older to buy a new primary residence. The biggest difference from the traditional mortgage is that you are not required to make monthly principal and interest payments for as long as you live in the home. Now, before you think it's too good to be true, let's talk about the key requirements. 1. The down payment. With a HECM for purchase, you typically use your own funds, often from the sale of your current home, for a large down payment, somewhere around 60% of the new home's purchase price, depending on the age of the borrowers. The rest of the home's cost is financed by a HECM loan. Once the loan is in place, you still own the home and are responsible for property taxes, homeowners insurance, and maintenance, just like with any mortgage or no mortgage at all. However, by eliminating that monthly mortgage payment, you can significantly free up your cash flow and extend the life of your retirement savings. This program is perfect for right-sizing, which means moving to a home that is better suited for your lifestyle. That could mean a single-level home, a home with less maintenance, or a home in a community that offers amenities and a better social life. Let's look at a common scenario, downsizing. This is a popular choice for retirees who want to simplify their lives, reduce maintenance responsibility, and free up funds for a more comfortable retirement. Imagine a client like Mary, who has a home worth $1.25 million with a $300,000 mortgage. She wants to downsize to lower the maintenance of her home and be closer to family. She finds a place for $500,000. She has two options to buy her home. 1, pay all cash. Mary could sell her current home, pay off her mortgage, and buy the new home with $500,000 in cash. After closing costs, she would still have a nest egg of about $375,000 left over. With no mortgage payments and the smaller home, she's in a good financial position. Option 2, use a reverse mortgage for purchase. Now, let's see how the HECM for purchase can amplify her financial freedom. Mary puts down just under $300,000 on the new home, financing the rest with a reverse mortgage. By doing this, she's left over with $575,000 in cash from the sale of her old home, nearly $200,000 more than if she'd paid cash for the new home. That extra cash can be used for living expenses, investments, or travel, and she still has no monthly mortgage payments. This allows her to preserve her retirement savings and extend its life. Let's look at a different scenario. What if you want to upsize? Believe it or not, about 30% of retirees purchase larger homes, and a HECM for purchase can help you buy a more expensive home that you might not be able to with a traditional mortgage. Take Ron. He owns his home $500,000 outright, but wants to move into a $600,000 home in an active adult community. He has his whole $500,000 in equity, but doesn't want to drain his savings. Here, his reverse mortgage for purchase, Ron can put down as little as $370,000 from his funds and finance the rest with a reverse mortgage. After the transaction, he's left with $100,000 in cash. He gets to live in his dream home and has no monthly mortgage payments. This allows him to increase his purchasing power and get the amenities he deserves without sacrificing his savings. It's a fantastic option for those who are 62 or older, and the amount of money depends on how old the borrowers are. You need to have significant equity in your current home and want to relocate. It's a great way to access the equity you've built without the burden of monthly payments. It's also a non-recourse loan, which means you or your heirs will never owe more than the home's worth when the loan is due. However, there are costs involved, including an upfront mortgage insurance premium and closing costs. The loan balance does grow over time with interest, which reduces the equity left in the home for your heirs. That's why completing a counseling session with a HUD-approved counselor is mandatory before the loan can be finalized. If you're feeling stuck in a home that no longer suits your needs because you don't want to give up your low mortgage interest rate or drain your savings, a HECM for purchase could be your solution. It's about empowering you to live in a home that's perfect for your current lifestyle while maintaining financial flexibility. If you're considering downsizing, upsizing, or just moving, let's explore your options. As a retirement mortgage expert, I can help you understand if a reverse mortgage for purchase is the right tool to help you start the next chapter of your life with confidence. You can reach me directly by phone at 828-888-LOAN. That's 828-888-LOAN. Thank you for joining me on Retirement Solutions for All Ages. If you found this episode helpful, please leave us a review, share it with someone who might benefit from this new perspective on home buying, and be sure to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss future insights. Until next time, I'm Ruth, the retirement mortgage expert, helping you make the most of your home at any age.